Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Neri Borda. I am 33 years old. I am single and I am graduated at vocational course at Kidapawan North Valley College. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and I want to support the studies of my brother and sister, and also I want to earn money for my future family comes.
Okay, Miss Borda, there are some questions for you to be answered. When an employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
I will say sorry to my employer and I will make silent my mouth and I will continue to my work.
Okay, very good. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
I wake me up and I will give milk the baby and I will do my best care until the baby can sleep again.
Okay. How you assist the children in crossing the street?
I will carry or hold the baby and see the car side by side and across the street.
Okay. If the house is on fire and you are inside with the children, what will you do?
I will take the children outside the house and after that I will ask help for our neighbor.
Okay. What will you do with the clothes before washing?
First, I will separate size by size, white with color, and then after that I wash.
Okay, very good. If any serious matter happened to your family, will you go home?
If depend upon the situation, if my employer not agree, it's okay. I will explain to my family the reason why I am not go home.
Okay, ma'am. Will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I do. If my employer want me to renew, I will.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities with trust and worthy, and I do my very best as a very good helper. Sir, madam, thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you, Miss Borda.